Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So what we have up for sale is a 1947 KAYEM, K-E-Y-E-M, gum vending machine. Clearly this is a packaged gum vending machine. 1947, so it's getting up there in the years. What we did when we got it in is the white was a bit scuffed up. We didn't like that. So we masked off the graphics, we reshot all the white, then we back taped it, took it off, and then we clear coated everything so the graphics are nicely clear coated, but they're in beautiful shape. That's the reason I bought the machine. 1947, Wrigley's gum is from Chicago, so you folks in Chicago may want some of this. Wrigley's gum, Wrigley's field, It kind of goes together. You Chicago Cubs fans, which Jeff happens to be one and told me to say that. So, 1947 KAYEM. Now what happens is you'll see in the stills, it's a 2-column machine. So first of all, what happens is the first column comes out over here. So it goes all the way up to here, then there's another one that goes all the way up to where? So it is going to dispense your right column first, then it will switch over to your left column. Very nice machine, 1947. It's made in the greater Los Angeles area. Just love the graphics. That's 1940s, Wrigley's gum. 5 cents, beautiful little machine. So it's ready to go. If you buy it before noon, we'll get it out that day. And as always, thanks for watching our videos. We do appreciate it.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.